Hey, Dreamwalkers! Welcome to day 3, our third S. Do you remember what the third S is? It's stillness. This S is pretty straightforward. During our mindful minutes, we have to work hard to be completely still. Sure, sometimes we have to itch our nose or shift our weight to get comfy. But other than that, our bodies should be resting. This includes our eyes. Our mindful minutes are a time to close our eyes. This helps to quiet our mind. 80% of the sensory information chatter in our mind comes from our sight. By closing our eyes for a while, we are already doing our brain a favor. Because we are all still during our mindful minute, this means it is not a good time to change spots, go to the bathroom, or grab something from your desk. Once the mindful minute begins, we stay put, unless it's for something important. You will know when it's something important. Remember also what I said in our last video. We have to be mindful of our space and be still, so we don't accidentally bump someone or something. This will disturb the mindful minute for you and for others. This is why being still is so important. In today's practice meditation, we will be doing a mindful minute called Stillness Practice. Pretty fitting, right? This meditation is a lot longer than others, but it walks us through practicing being still, because for some people, it's a lot harder than it sounds. I used to be one of those people who had trouble with stillness too. But with daily practice, now I'm really good at it and even look forward to it. Well, we're all done here for today. You know what to do. Go out and find the magic in your day.